Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe. Today's video, by the title, is me getting some new wheels for the GT3. I placed an order about 10 months ago through Supreme Power. It's a shop here in Southern California. Very known for all their BBS and wheels and just anything, really. Just really nice high-end cars. I placed an order 10 months ago for some BBS E07s. Now, not their fault at all. With everything going on in the world, it's delayed shipping, and BBS has been affected by it, and basically that's what the delay was. So they're finally in. I have them right here in front of me. I was actually about to forget to document this whole process. I didn't document anything of me picking them up or getting tires put on them, but fuck, man, they look amazing. So let me flip this around and show you guys, because I'm about to put on the rear. I also wanted to do a demonstration of how heavy the E88s are with 3Rs compared to the E07s with AR1s, because to be honest with you, the new setup feels heavier, and I've known that because the AR1 is just a heavy fucking tire. So yeah, we'll see exactly how much, because the wheels should actually be somewhere around the same, like within ounces. So we'll actually see, I guess, more about the tires, how much those weigh in comparison. So yeah, I'm gonna flip this around real quick. Look how fucking aggressive these look. BBS E07s, they are only available in a center lock. Basically, the only way you can get them is if you have a GT3, an RS, a cup car, a GT3R, any car with a single, a center lock, any Porsche with a center lock. So there's the E88 and the E07. I'm gonna go ahead and swap these all, and then, yeah, we'll check it out. But first, let's do that weight comparison. Okay, here we are. Well, let's see the weight first. 54.7 pounds. This is a 3R, Supercar 3R with an E88. So let's go ahead and grab E07 with an AR1. Okay, E07 with a brand new AR1. 58.2. And yeah, they actually did not feel too different when I put them both on the scale. But yeah, I do know that the AR1 is a heavier tire. I didn't think it would actually be that close, though. Pretty interesting. All right, let's get these mounted up and yeah, check it out. All right, here's the finished product. I must say, holy fuck. Looks so fucking aggressive, dude. It matches all the red accents, checks all the right boxes for me. This is phenomenal. Worth the wait, man. I wish I didn't have to wait, but holy fuck. Look at this, man. Shit's a race car. So good looking. If you guys are curious about the fitments, I don't know the offsets too well. It's high. I think it's like 52 and 49 or something like that. But it's a 19 by 9.5 in the front and a 19 by 12.5 in the rear. So some fat girls. These are E07s. These are not E88s. You can tell. Less spokes. It's just less busy, you know. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. If you wanted to get black E88s, you could definitely do that. You can contact Eric or Kim over at Supreme, and they'll definitely help you guys out. Shout out to those guys for helping me out, staying patient with me while I was patient with them and BBS and waiting forever. So pretty happy. I'm gonna mark these tires up like I did on this set right here, just that way I know how many heat cycles he's got on them for track use. Shit, I almost tripped. Yeah, go from there. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I make a lot of track content, a lot of product reviews, a lot of different things going on my channel, basically all based around the GT3 you see here, my F80 M3 ring taxi, and my E46 M3. So yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Later.